I'm Jody.
And I'm Izzy.
And we're the Chicken Idiot.
Chicken Idiot.
And I'm Amy.
And that's the girl in the background.
That's number 3.
Yeah.
We meet up every Wednesday and we take videos of us doing challenges, games.
And if we ever get subscribers, we could take suggestions.
Yeah, like suggestions.
Just leave us a comment and we'll think about it.
We're basically like your dare.
Yeah.
To your truth or dare. You can get us to do anything, as long as it's possible, because we're just two 13-year-olds having fun, I guess.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, thank you for watching.
Yeah, we'll be very grateful. Thank you.
Give us a like, or maybe a subscribe, even though you have no idea what we're going to do yet.
Yep, just please, we need...
If this isn't entertaining, let us know in a suggestive way.
Yeah.
Not a cuss mouth way. That's not good to be a hater. Don't be a hater.
Haters gonna hate.
No hating.
No hating. That's
But haters gonna hate.
Yeah. We don't like haters.
Nope.
They can burn in the depths of hell.
Hey.
Just kidding.
That was rude.
No, it wasn't. What are you talking about?
Come on.
This is all new.
Yeah.
You know.
Oh yeah.
Haters.
Don't blame us that we don't have the best
We're just using a
equipment.
webcam.
Yeah.
From my laptop. Yeah.
So yeah.
Have fun.
Yeah.
Don't forget to swag. Just kidding.